Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add Acuity Scheduling onto Shopify. Now, first off, this is what this Acuity dashboard looks like. And on here, you'll want to go to Scheduling Page link. Now, just click on More Options. Now, there's a lot of options we can do to add Acuity Scheduling onto our Shopify page. I'll start with the most simplest one, which is our link. Now, let's go to Shopify. Let's go to Online Store. Let's go to Themes. On Themes, go to Customize. Now wait for it to load. Now in here, the easiest way we can add Acuity Scheduling is by adding a text that's a hyperlink onto our Acuity Scheduling page. Now for example here, if I'm gonna click Add a Section and I'm going to click on Rich Text here. On Rich Text, I'm going to change this into Book Us, right? And then on the bottom one here, instead I'm going to change it onto Click Here. Now on Click Here, or you can make it this button if you'd like. I'm going to delete this button instead. And I'm going to make it here. Click here. I'm going to make this a hyperlink. And I'm going to paste the link of my Acuity Scheduling link here, right? I'm going to paste a link here. And then I'm going to open this link in a new window, right? This link. And I'm going to click on Insert. Now you'll see, now there's a link on our Shopify page. And when the consumer click on it, it'll redirect them onto this Acuity Scheduling page, right? Now that's a simple option, but of course, there's other options that's much more elegant. One thing is that the booking button. This is called a booking button, and this code is an embed. Now we can do this by going on Shopify. Let's click on back, and I'm going to delete this, and we're gonna add an embed element. On the rich text session, I'm going to click on Add Blocks. If there's no embed option here that comes up, sometimes that happens. You just have to click on Add Section instead, right? And on Add Section, so instead, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna click on Add Section. On Add Section, we're gonna go all the way to here, Custom Liquid. On Custom Liquid, you want to click on Custom Liquid, and in here you'll see Liquid Code. Now in here, we want to go back to Acuity Scheduling page, and you want to copy this. You want to copy the embed code right here. On the embed code, you want to just paste this in on the Custom Liquid, and now we have a button right to Acuity Scheduling right here on Shopify.